I want to be a side part. Do you hear me? I love side parts. And we need to actually normalize like not wanting to do things. And when you don't feel like doing nothing, don't do it. I ain't mixed with nothing. Don't even try it over here unless I just got a fresh relaxer.
And I say the same thing every single time. Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could do it real big. Bigger than you ever done it. Keep me up on everything. Other hoes ain't never on it. I want this forever.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another vlog. So you guys, I am finally home, you guys. I am finally settled. It is, what's today's day, girl? Girl, I don't even be knowing what day it be, okay? Since school has ended, I don't even keep up with it, okay? So I got back from my trip on Monday, and we did have our training for summer school on Wednesday and Thursday, but summer school does not officially start until Monday. So this upcoming Monday is when the kids will come and all of that. That's why I don't know what day it is. Y'all know I be all over the place and I be having to explain myself. Just bear with me, okay? So I feel like I'm finally getting back into my routine and getting back to my normal schedule, because you guys know I have been on vacation. I enjoyed the beach, you guys. I had so much fun and it was definitely well needed. So I did have a bunch of packages at my door, because y'all know I be ordering a lot of shit. Y'all already know, okay? So I'm just going to show you guys some things that I have ordered, and also some things that I have went out to the stores and purchased. There's Kason and Babe. Since I've been gone on vacation, you guys, I feel like I just have so much to catch up on, and so much to do. Like, I have videos to film, sis. I have a wig that I need to make. I have so much that needs to get done. I don't know about y'all, but when I come back from my vacations, I literally need like a whole nother week, sis, or like a few days to still mentally and physically get myself together, girl, because I be all over the place. That's me anyway. You guys already know I'm all over the place anyway, but I just be so overwhelmed. Like, I be so overwhelmed, girl, with all of the stuff I have to do on my agenda. Anyways, let me go ahead and show you guys what I got. So I did go to the beauty supply store, and I did pick up some things that I'm gonna need, because I did say that I have to, of course, film some videos. And I know that I actually have two hair reviews that I have to get out. So I wanted to try this right here. This is the Ebon Wonder Lace Bun. I normally use the one in the red container, but I want to try the black one. And then I also got some more of this Got to Be Glued. I actually use this to lay my edges with. So when I be needing a relaxer, girl, like now, you know what I'm saying? You can't even tell. This is what I use for my edges, you guys, because sis got like 4C hair, 4B hair, okay? I ain't mixed with shit hair, okay? That's what I got. I ain't mixed with nothing. Don't even try it over here unless I just got a fresh relaxer, okay? That's what kind of hair I got. So I used to get a lot of questions about how I lay my edges, especially because I'm a leave out kind of girl. You guys see me do reviews on like closures and like frontals and stuff like that, but real deal, I'm a leave out kind of girl. And I actually switched up my hair. I actually had a middle part for the beach, but I wanted to change it to a side part. And I'm just a side part kind of girl, okay? I love side part me to the death of me, okay? I want to be a side part. Do you hear me? I love side parts. I don't see how I don't give you guys anxiety, because I be all over the place. I don't know. And then I be talking so fast, girl. I don't know. So I also picked this up. This was, this is just the tinted lace spray. I use this majority of the time instead of bleaching my knots, or sometimes I'll do both because I need it to match my skin tone. This is light warm brown. This is a shade lighter than what I normally use for my lace, but I picked this up. And girl, I had some coupons. Stop playing with me. Y'all already know I had some coupons. And then lastly, from the beauty supply store, I picked up this body oil. This is nostalgic to me, you guys, because I remember when Babe and I first started dating, like, I used to always wear this oil, especially to bed, and he always say how good I smell. And if I show you guys, it's probably not gonna focus anyway, so I'm just gonna tell y'all the name. I really don't wanna say it, but this is what the bottle say, and it's called Pussy. That's what it's called, okay? And it smells so good. It smells so good, girl. The boys are gonna love it there, okay? Get you some. And I won't bore you guys with all the rest of this stuff. I pretty much just got Kason a bunch of summer clothes from Marshalls, TJ Maxx, I was about to say Home Goods, girl. Target, just a bunch of little summer school clothes that he can wear. So next up I have Bath and Body Works. Y'all already know. So I got 2 wallflowers. These are Gingham Love. I told you guys in one of my previous videos that Gingham Love is the business. Get you some Gingham Love. It will light your house up, okay? It will light it up. Girl, it's the lips for me. So I picked up this candle. I've never tried this scent before, but it is the Hibiscus Waterfalls, and it smells really good. It smells really fresh, and it smells really summer-like. And these candles, I had coupons, of course. Y'all already know. I don't shop at Bath & Body Works unless I have coupons. And what about it? Okay? And I think these candles came out to be like $10 and some change. So, damn near what they are for Candle Day. And then I also picked up this one. This is the Pink Pineapple Sunrise. This smells really, really, really good. Oh my gosh, you guys. I literally want to get this in the body care, but I'm trying to be good. But if I see it for the Bath & Body Works in my annual sale, I'm definitely grabbing it. And then I picked up this Butterfly Fragrance Mist. So I also have one of these already, but I needed another one to finish off my shower gel and my body cream. Y'all already know. I picked up 2 of these. These are the My Favorite Night Bombs by Bigelow. If this is not your first time watching my channel, especially my vlogs, I talk about these all the time. Literally, when I called the store, you guys, they like, is this a lady that always calls about the My Favorite Night Bomb? Yes, ma'am. Are they in stock or not? Okay, because I have to have these, you guys. I need these in my life, and I literally keep these on my nightstand, well, by my bed. Y'all already know, in my bedroom. And babe also loves these as well, you guys. He uses it too. And super moisturizing for the lips, girl, especially if you have big ass lips like me and your lips need extra moisture. This is gonna give you what you needs to be given. And lastly, I just pretty much picked up a bunch of shower gels for babe. So I got Clear Horizon, which is a new scent, I think, and it smells really, really nice. And for myself, I've picked up Fresh Getaway because I have the body cream and the fragrance mist. The only thing that I was missing was the shower gel. So I just decided to get the regular, not the moisturizing shower gel, just the regular one. This was actually my scent along with Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue O Intense for my beach trip. I layered them together, you guys, and it smells so good. Like, this is the perfect summer, fresh, beachy kind of scent. It smells so good, girl. Then I picked up 2 of these for babe. He actually grabbed one out the bag yesterday to take a shower with. He loves this scent. This is Nor, I think that's how you say it. The last store I went to was MAC. I'm trying to go through this stuff quick, y'all. I don't want to bore y'all to death, but I do want to kind of show you guys what I got. So I went to MAC, and I actually had a pickup order. So I did get a bunch of Lippies. What? Lippies. So I got 3 lip glosses, and I got See-Through, which is a really, really light lip gloss, light nude shade. I got Bow, which is a beautiful brown shade with like some flecks of shimmer and glitter. Then I got Oyster Girl, which is my absolute favorite. It's so beautiful on the lips with any lipstick, any lip combo. It's just my favorite. I wanted Spike, but they didn't have it in stock, so I'm gonna go back and get that one. And then I got 2 Dazzle glasses. I got Pleasure Principle, which is like this. It's almost like Fenty Beauty Diamond Milk. It's like a clear gloss with a bunch of white iridescent glitter in it. I love the Dazzle glasses, especially for when I'm going out and I really need like a thick gloss that's gonna stick and last on my lips. And then I got Moth to Flame, which is kind of like a golden nude kind of shade. And then I just picked up one of their lip glass glosses, which is basically just a clear gloss in the tube. Never tried it, but I'm interested in seeing how it's gonna work, girl. I just wanted to quickly say what's up, show you guys what I got, and I'm gonna see you guys in a minute. morning, you guys. So today is Sunday, so happy Sunday morning, y'all. It's literally like 2 days later. I think the last time I picked up the camera was on I want to say that was Friday or Thursday maybe. So it's a few days later, sis. Y'all, I am so annoyed right now because I thought that I was supposed to go up to the school today to do a few hours to gather my classroom and stuff like that, because I think we're supposed to be having visitors for summer school on tomorrow, and nobody was there. Girl, it was just a hot mess. Like, I walked in the building, I did not know the alarm code. The alarm was going off, girl. The police came. It was me and Casey. It was dark. It was scary. It was just too much going on, okay? It was just way too much going on. But anyways, I just ate some lunch, and my dad cooked today and my mom cooked too, so I'm probably gonna go over their house a little later to gather us some food so we can have some dinner, a nice little Sunday dinner tonight. I'm literally about to kick my feet up on the couch, girl, and just chill. Probably watch a TD Jakes sermon, or either read my devotional, or probably do both, or watch a YouTube video. Girl, I don't know. Like, I am just so like tired. I was just telling Angel, you guys, I feel like, and I think I was telling you guys too the other day, that I really need a minute, like, to gather myself when I come back from vacation, because I am just all thrown off, you guys. And literally with all that happening this morning, girl, and this was all before 10 o'clock, okay? And y'all know I'm not a morning person anyway, so it was just too much going on. I have been so lazy in this vlog. I've been so chill in this vlog. I did go ahead and do my nails, as you guys saw just a minute ago, and I also did my toes. It turned out really, really pretty, you guys. Love the color. This gel polish is amazing. This is not my first time working with Nail Addict, but they have some really good gel polishes. So I did get that done yesterday, but I didn't film any videos this weekend. And normally I do my filming on the weekend, but I ain't do none of that, okay? I ain't do none of that. So probably this week, maybe Monday or Tuesday, I'm probably gonna film a video that I need to film, and I need to get out Friday, because I want to make sure I meet my deadlines. Y'all, I have just been so swamped. I've been feeling so overwhelmed. Not in a bad way though, just kind of like I'm just trying to play catch up and just trying to get back to my normal self, because my mind right now is still giving I'm on the beach or I'm on vacation. But I need my mind to be like tunnel vision, focused, and back to business. But it's lagging, okay? It's lacking. But I just been wanting not to do anything too much, you guys. So I'm just proud of myself for even doing my toes and my nails, girl. And even cleaning up the house, because I did clean up this entire house probably, I think it was Friday night or maybe Saturday morning, something like that, girl. But I got it done. So I'm just proud of myself for that. And sometimes I feel like we push ourselves so much to do things, even when we don't feel like doing nothing. And we need to actually normalize, like, not wanting to do things. And when you don't feel like doing nothing, don't do it. Like, we need to normalize being at home all day, not doing shit, okay? That's what we need to normalize. It's okay. And I guess for me, you guys, because y'all already know, like, I'm so goal driven, and I'm also like I was saying, I'm just so hard on myself sometimes, you guys, which is not good all the time, because my mind is constantly going, you guys. I'm constantly overthinking, and I feel like even when it's time to go to bed, like, I feel like I have insomnia because I'm not really like getting good rest. I'm not really sleeping because my mind is still going and it's thinking about what I could be doing in that moment while I'm asleep, or what I'm supposed to be doing the next day. Like, I feel like I never give myself time to rest and really just truly relax and put my mind at ease and literally just relax. Like, oh, I drive myself crazy, y'all. Like, oh my gosh, like, y'all just don't have no clue, girl. No clue. So I'm trying to normalize, even on in my vlogs and even in real life, just to not, if I don't want to do nothing, don't do nothing. And then not make up things to do because I am a vlogger. You get what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to be up here making up shit to do because I vlog. Like, this is real life. I don't do stuff every day, every weekend. I'm not going somewhere. So that's just is what it is, okay? And I also drove myself crazy too, you guys, in my last vlog, which was my travel vlog, with all the montages. Like, that shit drove me crazy, girl, because it was just too much, and it's too much to edit. So I was like, you know what, the next time I go on vacation, I'm gonna be talking to y'all, and I'm gonna really be letting y'all know what it is and really be talking, because all the montage shit is for the birds, girl. Do you hear me? Because it's just too much. So I'm about to chill, you guys. Yesterday was a lot going on. It was fun for Kason and Babe. They literally rode, Babe rode his 4-wheeler, Kason drove his dirt bike. I would have vlogged, but I don't really want to, you know, I ain't about to be showing outside of my house and all of that. But they had a good time, girl. I just spent time with myself at the house this whole weekend. I have been doing nothing but chilling, just doing a little bit of self-care and just trying to like get my mind right, okay? Get my physical self right and my mind right, girl. I also did a little bit of shopping, and then I also got a wax earlier that morning. So I really haven't been doing anything to really vlog that much, you guys. So sorry, girl, if it's gonna be a boring ass vlog, but some of you guys actually like when I talk, and you know, I talk to you guys and stuff. So yeah, tomorrow is the first day of summer school, and we're gonna see what it's giving, honey, because I have to get there early because my classroom, you guys, like, I literally took everything down, most of the stuff, so I gotta kind of like start over. And then I'm not doing summer school for 1st grade. I'm gonna be teaching 2nd grade for summer school, which is really 3rd grade, girl. And I'm worried about that too. But I'm gonna try to just unwind, relax my mind, watch some TV, read my devotional, and just do nothing. How about that? Okay, how about it?
I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bored myself, can you come and fuck me? I feel so ordinary, so when you around me. Treat me like corduroy, play me out. Arguments, you can air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no sex with you, you know you my plug, and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been out, baby. I've been reminiscing. Every young